Our hydronics team recently completed this installation at this beautiful home in Forrest. Our client came to us with a specific request for hydronic radiator heating. A gentle, warm and controlled approach with new technology that saves on power bills. The home is 95 years old and made of double brick, so to use a hydronic radiator system was ultimately the perfect solution. For this project we installed a Stiebel Eltron hydronic heat pump. These systems are built for heat efficiency and have a strong emphasis on protecting the environment. Plus, it works with solar PV, therefore minimising your running costs. Radiators are a superb option for those who enjoy peace in the home. They don't have a fan, which reduces any air movement and noise. Each of the radiators has a thermostatically controlled valve that can be switched off or set differently, providing optimum comfort in each room in the home. An older house that has no wall cavities and is double brick will always provide challenges, but it's nothing that our experienced technicians couldn't overcome. We were able to install the system by concealing the pipework for the radiators into the walls and down under the floor, retaining the character of the home alongside an ultra-efficient heating solution. The system is a welcome addition to the home as the cold weather sets into Canberra.